In this video, I'm going to show you how to file taxes on TurboTax. So first of all, I'm unable to show you some steps in here due to country restrictions, but listen carefully as I explain each step so you can follow along. So before jumping in, make sure you've gathered your documents that includes your W-2s and then the 10099s, bank statements, and any records of deductions or expenses. So the more organized you are, the smoother the process will be. So next, go to the turbotax.com. So this is the turbotax.com official site. So if you already have an account, just sign in. But if not, you can create a new one. So it only takes a minute. So once you're in, TurboTax will ask you some simple questions to understand your tax situation. So like your filing status, dependents, job information, and any additional income you've earned. So, in terms of entering your income info, if you're an employee, this means typing in your W-2 details or importing them automatically if your employers is supported. So, if you're self-employed or a freelancer, you'll need to enter the 1099 form instead. So, TurboTax will now look for every possible deductions or credit, like student loan interest, education expenses, medical costs, or even home office expenses. The answer is everything, honestly, to make sure you get your maximum refund. So, after inputting everything, you'll get a fully summary. So, take your time to review it carefully. So, TurboTax will also scan for any errors or missing info. So when you're ready, just hit file. You can choose a e-file, which is the fastest and most secure way. So if you're getting a refund, you can have it directly deposit into your bank account. So not sure which version of TurboTax to use, but the free edition works for basic tax returns. So for self-employed folks or those with investments, you may need to upgrade to Deluxe, Premier, or Self-Employed. And that's how to file taxes on TurboTax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.